So, guys, what's up? We're back with another market review. Today, we're going to take a look at the stock market right now. The 500 biggest stocks, because we have many things happening. We had this sharp drop, and we kind of predicted that because I was telling you again and again the stock market is overextended right now. It needs a correction. That correction happened. After that correction, we took a market breath on the upside, which is kind of expected as well. And from here, I'll be honest, the scenario that I expected was for us to grind up on the upside of this trend, of this uptrend. But then, of course, you can't always know what the market will do, and the correction continued. Now we are on the bottom of this uptrend. This is not a bad thing because here you can build positions for the long term. I don't mind buying here. I have already started buying my favorite stocks. But right now, what I expect to happen is a 2 or 3 4 day rally all the way back to 43.50, 44 maybe, 4400, because we hit this big drop as well, and this space right here. And usually spaces are being filled back. So I expect a small rally to happen the next couple of days that will get us back to 4300, 4350, 44. And from there we might continue with the correction. Now this will be a critical point because we might drop even lower. This is not out of the ordinary. And if that happens, okay, it will be kind of painful, but it will be an even more bigger opportunity. So I don't mind that much. I'm buying here. I won't be buying above 4300, but I'll be buying even more below 4200. That's my plan for the stock market right now. When it comes to the dollar is showing incredible strength, which is crazy. The last time it showed that much strength was over a year ago. So it's kind of obvious and logical because right now the interest rates are very high. So most people are thinking that it's not even worth the risk to invest in the stock market. They'd rather hold the cash they have on their bank and accumulate that way, compound that way. So the rates are kind of like what gravity is. Rates work like gravity to stocks. As the rates go up, that strengthens the dollar and makes basically the stocks weaker, and that's why we see even more weakness right now. That trend might continue. It's kind of good from one point if you were like me and didn't have enough time to build your positions, because now you get a chance with those corrections to buy on the stock market and ride this rally for the long term. Because if you think from the bigger picture, what will happen 3 6 months from now, 1 year from now? Will we be lower or higher? I think we'll be higher. So that's how I invest right now. 6 months from now, I expect for the S&P 500 to be above 4,500. So that's how I invest right now. And along with the new year. Of course, nobody knows, but that's what I expect. If you check on S&P 500 for year to date, now right now we are back to 11.7% for the year. Those are more logical increases because we used to be 20% up. Right now we need to see when this correction will end and move on from there. If it drops, as I told you already, below 4200, I'm buying even more. And that's what happens basically to the stock market. Dollar is up. That puts some pressure on gold. I told you guys that if we touch, since we broke out of this horizontal line, then that is like a failed hold. We didn't hold it. So I expected gold to run back to 1950. This was a nice place to sell if you are afraid of gold, because of gold prices for the long term. Because since we lost this line, this is a small rally on the upside, a market breath on the upside, but yeah, the correction continued. Now we showed even more weakness. And since we broke again below that line, now it's kind of certain that will drop even more. I don't know how much, but yeah, the most likely scenario right now is that we'll drop even more. Maybe we'll stop at 1800, maybe we'll stop at 1700, nobody knows. This will be ideal prices to buy for the long term, actually. But yeah, we'll check back on gold when the time comes. That's all for this video. Oil is setting up new all-time highs. We had built a position on Exxon back here, so we're riding this in a very nice way. But yeah, that's all for this video. That's all that happened for the stock market right now. I'm buying for the long term. I'm waiting for this correction to end even lower so I can buy even more, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.